Today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I just took a ride in a sidekick all the way around the property, covered almost all the trails because I haven't been out here for a few weeks and we had some storms, and surprisingly I haven't found any trees across the trail. I had a few saws in the back ready to go, but just didn't happen. Normally right after the wind blows you come out here and you clean up a bunch of trees. But anyway, today is kind of a overcast day, but it's a nice fall day. And I'm going to head back to the house now, and we're going to cut some firewood, split some firewood, and start filling up that big firewood bin that we made, a few weeks ago. I need to get a bunch of wood cut and split for next year. So I think this week, I'll have Levi. He'll be splitting some wood as well. It shouldn't take long to get that thing filled up, fill up some more baskets, and plus I just want to get things cleaned up down there in the wood yard. I've got logs everywhere. We're going to be sawing some lumber. We will be setting up that CNC machine hopefully this week as well. The table's built for that. But just a lot of things going on, trying to get some things buttoned up outside before winter, and then we'll be working inside the new building. I usually do a pretty good job of checking the radar. I didn't do that today. It's starting to rain, but I don't think it's going to rain for a while. But I had several people asking about this log splitter and how it operates. It's the Wolfe Ridge Pro 28C, and this one has the auto cycle. Now I have it idled way down, but the way this works, You move both these levers forward. You know, you make sure your hands are out of the way. It'll get to the end of the stroke and it'll return automatically. This lever here raises the wedge up and down, and I have a 6-way wedge as well. I like the 4-way. This lever right here is your log lift. That's pretty much all there is to it. So earlier I mentioned that today's video was sponsored by HelloFresh, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. They've been a great partner to our channel, and if you're not familiar with HelloFresh, they provide mouth-watering seasonal recipes, prepackaged ingredients delivered right to your door. You can choose from an ever-growing new rotation of weekly recipes featuring hearty soups, chilies, and in-season fall produce to take advantage of the season's fresh flavors. HelloFresh recipes are absolutely delicious, and our entire family is a fan, and that doesn't normally happen. Another thing I like about HelloFresh, it's super convenient because, like I said, all the recipes and ingredients are delivered right to your door, and it also saves me a lot of time because I'm not running out to the store to pick up a few missing ingredients while Melissa's making dinner. Also, HelloFresh's pre-portioned ingredients means there's less prep for you and less wasted food. If you want more information, go to HelloFresh.com and use my code OUTDOORS14 to get 14 free meals, including free shipping. Well, it's raining pretty steady now. I think I'm going to head up to the house and see what it does. Looking at the radar, it doesn't look too good. Matter of fact, the rest of this week looks like it's on and off rain showers. At some point, I'd like to have the splitter and at least part of the conveyor under a roof. That way, on days like this, you could be down here splitting wood when you really can't be doing anything else. That'll happen at some point. But if you're wondering what I'm doing here with this basket, this wood here, it's split real small, nice and straight, bark free. This will be the stuff that we bundle up with that new firewood bundler. I'll probably get several of these baskets filled up, put them up inside the building. Now, this wood has been dead for a long time, but it's nowhere near dry, so I'll kind of have to keep my eye on it and, you know, use the moisture meter and see. But I also mentioned before, I think we're going to get a kiln here sometime in the near future. That will dry both lumber from the sawmill and firewood as well. So if that's the case, you know, I'll be able to make a lot of dry wood in a hurry with a kiln. But anyway, I think that's it for today's video. I want to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. And there's a link in the description if you want more information on that. And I really appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for watching, commenting, emailing. All the interaction is great. And like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.